Welcome back friends to my channel. I hope you all are fine. Today I will discuss about 10 insurance companies in USA. This is very important topic, so watch my full video and don't skip. There are thousands of insurance companies providing products and services in the insurance sector. Most of them specialize in specific types of insurance while others offer multiple types. The biggest ones generally offer all types of insurance such as life, property and casualty, health and business insurance. Some have expanded in healthcare services and financial services. The list is limited to companies that are publicly traded in the US or Canada, either directly or through ADRs. Some foreign companies may report semi-annually, and so many have longer lag times. All figures were current as of February 18, 2024 and were sourced from Google Finance. These are the 10 biggest insurance companies by 12 trailing revenue TTM. Number 1, United Health Group, revenue TTM $94.4 billion, net income TTM $5.5 billion, market cap $482.4 billion. United Health Group is a combination of United Healthcare, its insurance business, and Optum, its health services businesses. United employs roughly 4 lakh people and provided insurance and services for about 152 million customers and 6,400 hospitals and other facilities. Number 2, Berkshire Hathaway, revenue TTM $93.2 billion, net income $12.8 billion. Berkshire Hathaway is a holding company that owns numerous subsidiaries, a significant portion of which are insurance companies. Number 3, CVS Health Corporation Group, revenue TTM $89.4 billion, net income TTM $2.3 billion. While CVS is well known for its medical supplies and pharmacies. Number 4, the Sigma Group, revenue $49 billion, net income TTM $1.4 billion. The Sigma Group refers to itself as a global healthcare benefit provider. It is composed of 2 operational segments. Number 5, Elevance Health Insurance, revenue TTM $42.9 billion, net income $1.3 billion. Elevance Health is a health insurance provider that serves about 47 million members. Number 6, Sentence, revenue TTM $35.2 billion, net income TTM $46.9 billion, market cap $42.1 billion. Sentence is a leading insurance provider for the federal government and is the largest Medicare insurer in the US. Number 7, PINGN Insurance. Ping An Insurance is a China-based insurance and financial service company. Number 8, Alliance, revenue $26.5 billion. Number 9, Humana, revenue TTM $26.4 billion. Number 10, ASA, revenue TTM $22.5 billion, net income $2.1 billion. AXSA is an international insurance and financial services company that provide property and casualty, health and life insurance products and manage about 93 $2.2 billion in assets. Thanks for watching my video.